Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and today I am going to show you how you can double your money even faster by using the rule of 72. So let me explain what the rule of 72 is. It's basically a simple math equation you can do in your head or on your calculator on your phone, and it will tell you how quickly you can double your money. So what you do is take 72 and divide it by the interest rate that you're receiving on your money, and that will give you the number of years it will take to double your money. So I want to show you what I'm talking about, and I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see a calculator. Okay, so we have the rule of 72 calculator. And all we're going to do is come down here to this field where it says interest rate, and we're going to enter in the interest rate that we are earning on our money. And I want to show you the power of this, because if you are leaving your money in savings, you're maybe earning 1% interest. So let's enter in 1%. And you can see it's going to take 72 years to double our money. And the power of investing is phenomenal. So if we're earning, let's say, 8%, it's only going to take 9 years to double our money, which is incredible. So this really shows the power of compound interest. And compound interest is the interest you're earning on your interest and on your principal, whatever you added to your investment. So it's a really powerful thing. Let's actually take a look at this chart over here. So I wanted to give you an example. If you are investing $100 at an interest rate of, say, 10%, then the rule of 72 tells you your money will double every 7 years. So you can see right here that if we have $100, then in 7 years, we are going to have $200. It'll double. And then you can see in 14 years, we're going to have $400. In 21 years, we're going to have $800. And you can see on the graph how it continues to go up very quickly. And this is the power of compound interest. So if we start even, with $1,000 instead of $100, then in 7 years, we'll have $2,000. And 14 years we'll have 4,000. It'll continue to grow. So this formula is just a quick way to figure out how long it's going to take you to double your money. And you can see, if you are investing your money at a higher interest rate, then you'll be able to grow your money even faster. We still have our initial deposit of $100, and we're earning that 10% rate of return, and we are looking at 7 years. So you can see it's about $200 that we will receive. But if we want to start contributing extra money, maybe we want to contribute $50 a month, then we can see over here our balance is going to be $6,299. And if you take a look at the graph, you can see the blue is what we have added, and then the green is the compound interest. So you can see over time that we aren't adding anything extra, but the compound interest, the green part, continues to increase even more over time. So if we increased our time span to, say, 14 years, you can see toward the end of the graph that green is about the same as the blue. So we are contributing just about as much as we're making in interest. So this is another way to make your money grow faster, is to make monthly or weekly contributions to your investments. And you can see the effect of compound interest over time is huge. So hopefully this shows you how you can double your money even faster. You need to invest it in things that have a higher interest rate instead of just keeping your money in a savings account. And if you're interested in getting help with that, I do have my courses available, and I'll leave the links in the description so you can check those out. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it, and comment below And let me know if you have used this formula before or if you're going to start using it now. And if you want more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and get notified on when I create new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.